The theme for your first stakeout is make it Mediterranean.
Okay.
Your 45 minutes starts right now. All right.
Oh, here we go. Come on.
Come on.
How are you? How you doing?
Good. Would you like some money for your groceries? I got $100 for it.
Oh, thank you.
No? Are you sure? $200.
Oh,
Sure. Yeah?
Sure.
All right. Here we go. $200. Now we gotta go shop. I'm sorry. We got some shrimp, which is awesome. Zucchini and cauliflower, lettuce, pasta, tortilla chips, eggs, bananas, tomato sauce, green beans, sea salt cracker, ooh, apricots, limes, tequila, and agave. Oh, yes. Guacamole. Yes! We got feta.
Juicy juice. Conditioner, we don't need that for me. I know I don't need conditioner, no shampoo for me either. Makeup brushes, I don't think I really need those. A little milk, yogurt raisins, eggs, got a little bread, apricots. Hey, a little wine here, sweet Riesling, local honey. I got the croissant.
Okay, so we have pasta. We have some cake, potato salad, awesome. Golden raisin, some sausages, Dijon mustard, some broccoli, romaine lettuce, red onion, cherry tomato, we have banana, strawberry. So we have a mix of raw vegetable, roasted vegetable, do a small vinaigrette, you know, just with pure olive oil, some lemon, Dijon mustard. But just on the top, you know, before we send it.
All right, let's season the sauce up. A little chili flake. Do I add the shrimp? Let's add a couple shrimp in and a couple to garnish.
I made so much pasta.
I want all that.
I'm worried right now that the judges are gonna think that I made them a bowl of pasta and not a Mediterranean dish.
We can pray.
1 minute left.
No stress zone right here, okay? That's malarkey. Lots of stress right now. Add the sauce a little bit. I also want to make a little salad. A little bit of tomatoes, cilantro. Onions would be good with it, but that's okay.
30 seconds. I like the way Newton finished with just a drizzle of vinaigrette, that acid. I also like that it's soaked into the baguette a little bit. To me, that's very Mediterranean.
Cheese.
Tony also put blue cheese on his dish. No. I need some parking lot bestie positivity.
Feta. Thank goodness. All right. Need a little black pepper.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Woo-hoo! Tell us what you made, Chef.
I got a Mediterranean grilled shrimp baguette with a little bit of a white wine vinaigrette, topped with a little bit of ham, fruit and cheese to finish your palate with.
Tony, what's going on?
So I just made a pasta salad with a lemon dressing with Dijon mustard and a little bit of blue cheese on the top.
Tell us what you made, Chef.
I made a Mediterranean chicken taco with sour cream tzatziki sauce, and the chicken is similar to a chicken kebab. So I made a Mediterranean sauteed shrimp pasta with a light pomodoro sauce. I did some crispy bacon on top, kind of play on pancetta.
The chef's Mediterranean dish that didn't quite cut it is... Chef Tony.
The theme for your next stakeout will be classic mashups. So you're taking two classic dishes and smashing them together. Like a cheeseburger egg roll, chicken fried meatloaf, sushi burrito, I don't know. That's for you guys to figure out. Your 45 minutes starts right now. Go, go, go!
Hey, how you doing?
How are you
We're on a
today?
food competition, and can I buy some of your groceries, maybe?
Can we take a look real quick?
Sure, I was gonna make a chicken stir
So
fry
you got some chips.
or chicken fajitas.
I can change fajitas into a million things.
I got carrots and peppers. Can I pay you $60 for them?
Really?
Yeah.
I love it.
All right, thanks. We have some parsley and carrots, broccoli rabe, bananas, peppers, and scallions, string beans. We got some soy, green chilies, chicken, and tortillas, and rice. Got some eggs, ground beef, yes.
onion, potatoes, bell pepper. Oh, I got the fun one. More tacos, milk, some pasta, ooh, and salsa. Tomato sauce, olives, tomatoes, tortillas. And my friends today, avocado and cheese and cake mix.
Got some cilantro, some tomatoes, some lettuce, onions, limes, beef, some cheddar cheese, a little sour cream, tequila, ketchup, green chilies, tortillas.
She just needs to put that in a pot, let that cheese melt, and she's done.
2.5 minutes left, chefs.
We're all right, we're all right.
They look perfect, man. Making my little chili ketchup here. So I grabbed a little chili powder and mixed that up in my ketchup. Perfect. We're gonna have a couple tortillas with a couple burgers on each.
I'm just gonna add a little of the salsa just to give it that little flavor going on.
I think I'm gonna add a little bit of like a quick salad with that dressing I have on the side, just to make it look a little prettier, a little color on the plate besides just the brown empanada. I'm gonna make a soy scallion dipping sauce for the empanada.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right.
Son of a gun.
Hello, sir.
Hello, welcome back.
Tell us what you made.
My mashup is going to be a green chili cheeseburger with a beef taco.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, good.
Tell us about your mashup, chef.
So I made for y'all a bolognese nachos, twist of Mexican and Italian.
So I did a chicken stir-fry empanada with a soy scallion dipping sauce, some toasted sesame seeds.
The beauty of a mashup is bringing two iconic dishes together to create one harmonious dish. And we felt that one of you was not successful in achieving this. And that chef is Chef Charlene.
Congratulations, chefs, you've made it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You know what you're playing for in this final stakeout dish. $10,000, the highest prize ever awarded in a parking lot. Now, for this final stakeout, you can buy food from as many shoppers as you like. You can rifle through their bags, you can see what they bought, but you can only buy 5 ingredients to make your dish. So the final theme for your final stakeout is sweet and saucy. Kind of like both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You have 45 minutes to shop and cook and freak out, and your time starts now. Go, go, go!
I got a bottle of wine, I got some blueberries, I got some chocolate, I got some crescent rolls, and I got some butter.
I have fresh bananas, whipping cream, chocolate sauce, bread, and eggs. Go, Newton, what'd you get?
Just fresh mint.
Newton, what are we doing with the mint?
I'm gonna use it as a garnish because I think mint goes with chocolate, blueberries. Mint goes with everything, gum.
All right, let's see if this works.
Chefs, you have 5 minutes left. 5 minutes.
You are killing us.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Woosah.
Lauren, how you doing over there?
My peanut butter burnt the first time, so we gotta do it again.
Oh, no.
I go to the grill because I can control the heat on the grill. And I do not leave the grill as I stir the peanut butter to soften. Okay.
1 minute left. Let's make some last-minute bad decisions. Let's go.
They look great, they feel good.
My plating, I'm gonna do some chocolate, peanut butter, and banana on top of the bread pudding. I'm gonna make it saucy, I'm gonna make it saucy. Who doesn't love peanut butter?
Man, my hands are shaking like a greyhound in a winter storm, man.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chef Lauren, what ingredients did you buy and what did you make with them?
I made a caramelized banana bread pudding with peanut butter and chocolate on glaze sauce.
So what I made was a chocolate and blueberry-filled croissant, and then I made a blueberry cinnamon wine sauce.
Today's supermarket stakeout champion is Chef Lauren.
Good job.